GBP-USD showed amazing selling pressure in recent days after facing the major supply level. However, the most recent price faces dynamic support from the 20 EMA, which is a primary sign of a possible correction. This technical analysis shows how the MACD histogram turned bearish by moving below the neutral zone while the dynamic 20 EMA is below the price. Moreover, the MACD line showed a bearish crossover, which is another sign of selling pressure in the price. Based on the daily price structure, investors should closely monitor how the price trades in the 1.35 area. A bearish daily close below this level is important to rely on the upcoming selling pressure towards the 1.3267 level. On the other hand, a bullish recovery with a daily close above the dynamic 20 EMA would alter the current market structure.